Speech on. Speech off.
Hey guys, the Robot Fighters here, and today I want to ask you about knockoffs, and I mean complete knockoffs of my mini arcade classics that you guys may remember hearing sometimes on my channel. Put in the comments if you guys remember those. But I was planning to do this as well on my Let's Record Learning Karaoke, but it's not gonna come out so good. So, sorry. So what I was doing is I've been wondering. We know that Basic Fun never released Pole Position, nor My Arcade, which I do not own. I think they never released Pole Position. But Super Impulse did release the Pole Position, which I don't have yet either. But however, the Pole Position I'm going to play in the Story Pal, Songbot, and Ring and Record Learning Phone will be the Game Boy Advanced version. By the way, the Ring and Record Learning Phone is not really loud because that's how it's made. So I'm going to show you the Let's Record Learning Karaoke for a while. Here it is. Okay. Here are the buttons. I like the voice changer dial a lot. And it has the same design, a little bit, or reskin of the Let's Record music player, which that one is smaller. This one is bigger. So yeah, let's talk about the sound. Okay, which of these three sound qualities you guys are gonna hear is perfect for a knockoff variant of mini arcade classics? Think of it as a complete knockoff, like a super duper complete knockoff, but the same names and everything. Either, wait, let me do it again. Okay, three options. Either Ring and Record Learning Phone. I have the speaker towards the microphone so you guys hear it. Either Ring and Record Learning Phone.
You have a message.
Here it is. The Sing Along Songbot. Or the on-the-go Story Pal. I have to stop it so that I don't play the whole thing. So yeah, which of those three sound qualities could be good for a knockoff variant of mini arcade classics?
Press the play button to listen.
Okay. Yeah. So a knockoff variant of mini arcade classics. Those three sound qualities. Let me know in the comments which one should be the right one for the knockoffs. If you guys enjoyed this video, thank you for watching, and goodbye.